We just walked all the way from down there to here. There's a little castle thing on this hill. Trevor went all the way to that point. We're going down a bit. And that is Skelling, where Star Wars was filmed. It is very cool and very pretty being here. This is the hottest week in Ireland, so it's probably like 72 right now maybe. And they never get this hot. She said like 28, 29 degrees Celsius is the hottest it ever gets, and it's gonna get up to like 32 this week. We are a little unprepared because all we have is obviously long sleeve clothes and everything. She said in stone letters it's supposed to era down here because Irish or Ireland. And in World War II, it was important that the bombers and planes knew where they were, so they had it say Ireland. They knew not to bomb Ireland on accident because navigation was not as keen. I'm a little nervous I'm gonna fall, even though I know we're in the middle.
I appreciate you staying close to it.
So these are where the letters were. Bye, Skellings. I'm definitely in the back, but it's okay. This is remarkable. And here's a little tower castle thing. I don't think it was a castle. I think it was a tower where they kept watch because they're right on the Atlantic. Anyway, we are on day 4, so we only have 4 days left, which is actually really sad because I've had so much fun. Hi everyone! So if you're like, OMG, you were right there, why didn't you go see Skellig? So there actually are tours where you can go see them, climb up them, but Skellig, which is the one from the Star Wars movie, has over 600 steps and there's no guardrail or anything, so it's really dangerous. And our tour guide, Kim, told us that many people have actually died making the trek, so we didn't do it just because it was dangerous and it was like an extra excursion, so that's why we just did the hike. But the hike was super enjoyable and honestly one of my favorite memories from the trip. So happy right now. This is so pretty. The mountain. Just cause?
Yeah, it was so fun. It was really nice.
It's beautiful outside. You ran with sheep?
Yeah, I ran with sheep.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good. I passed, there's like this cute old couple.
Mm-hmm.
And then they, I passed them like right along where those like rocky cliffs are, like rocky things
Yeah.
there. And then when they got down, and I was like, you're like just like fast.
I've been taking 700 photos of the exact same thing just because it's so pretty.
So in and around to the left and then on the right hand side is where they're making it. Okay?
Perfect. That's cute. Crazy. I really want to get another box of it, but that would just be unnecessary. We're having a picnic right now. Here's one side of the map. And here's the other. It's insane. I didn't think Ireland could get much prettier. And it proved me wrong again. I just got strawberries in a sandwich and some chips. And literally some of the best strawberries I've ever had. So smooth, so delicious. They all taste fresh. None of them are like sour. We are at Inch Beach in Ireland. Ireland. I really thought the Irish accent would be very prominent, you know? It's really not that prominent, but I think Scottish will be very noticeable. I haven't really run into people that I couldn't understand that much, so not as bad as you think. So the boys are down on the beach playing Gaelic football. We went up, grabbed a tea and some coffee, and I got some goodies for people. So, having a great day. We're about to head to Dingle, and I'm so excited because I'm hoping they'll have some nice like artisan stores. Just taking it all in. We were up on one of these mountains, hills, things for our lunch picnic. I think it was that one, but I could be wrong. But I think it was the taller one. Anything you guys say the vlog, Mom?
Having a great time.
In Ireland, you can just park on the beach. And this is a safe beach. Let's go touch it. There's the Gaelic football happening. I think it's really surreal being here. What is it? You need it? You needed a receipt that bad you had to get me wet socks?
I hate wet socks.
I didn't want to litter.
I have wet socks. That's the worst feeling in the entire world. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, it's a little cold. It's a little cold, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So, a little end of day recap of what I can remember because I don't have any more footage from today. After spending time at the beach, we went to Dingle and got settled in at our hotel, and then just went for some dinner, and that was the end of our day. And then we had one more night there the next day. Hello vlog. We rode horses this morning, which was a lot of fun, and now we just finished up lunch, and now we are walking around the town of Dingle looking for any and all craft artisan stores. We walked in a bunch yesterday, now we want to go to all the real ones, not just the fake touristy ones. So that is our mission. Hello everybody. I thought I'd do a little update on what's been going on. So we went shopping, we got basically the rest of all of our goodies from Ireland, and now it's a couple hours later. We've just been relaxing in our hotel, which has been really nice. I actually put on shorts. It was super hot when I got back. I've just been relaxing. Gonna go to dinner in about an hour or two, and then we're gonna go to live music tonight. But in the meantime, I thought I would do a haul of everything that we've got. Here is my Ireland haul. This is a nice big sweatshirt. It obviously says Ireland, and it has the clover on the back. And I know a lot of people might not like this style or might think it's ugly or something. I really like dad shirts, I guess you could say. I think they're cute and casual and comfortable, and so I got this. I really like it and I'm super excited for it. We got this at a store near Blarney Castle, so that was my first buy, I guess you could say. Everywhere I go, I have to get a piece of art. I started it when I went to Australia, so I didn't get anything from like New Zealand or Fiji, but I've been doing it ever since. So I've been looking around for the piece of art I wanted from Ireland, and I found this. Now this isn't, it is an original, but it's like a printed one. This was just too precious and perfect to me that I had to get it. It pretty much encapsulates all I feel about Ireland. So this piece is titled A Day with Grandpa, and I think it's super pretty. You see the sunset, which is cool because we saw a really nice sunset last night. And then there's like a farm with some sheep, and I thought it was really beautiful and I knew I had to have it. So super stoked about this. And then we went to another gallery today. We went and we left, then we came back because I was thinking of this and I knew I had to get it for my dad because I just thought it'd be perfect. It was just, it's one of those things that when you have a feeling about something, you just have to go in and get it. because if you don't, you'll regret it later. So this is a print of a painting of the three sisters, which I thought was cool because we heard the story about it today. And if you don't know, the three sisters is sort of the story behind how Ireland got its name. So I'm super excited to get this to my dad. I know he's going to love it. And this was the card from that last painting, if anybody was interested. And then I got some jewelry. This one is for my neighbor, and I really liked the design of it and how simple it was. All of these necklaces are really nice and dingy, which I really liked because this one is for me. I didn't see this pattern of necklace anywhere else we went. I really liked how dainty and simple it was, but I liked the design. I liked how it was intertwined. The last necklace from this store I got is just a circle. It sort of reminds me of something that would be in Moana for some reason, but I really like the design. That's what I like with all of these, is that they're all like simple designs and they're nice and dainty and super pretty in my opinion. So, and that is from the Dolphin Shop in the town of Dingle, Ireland, if anybody's curious. And that's where those two paintings are from as well, all in Dingle. Now, next we have some chocolate, and this is amazing. It's from the Skelling's chocolate place. This chocolate place, it was super cool. You gotta try all the flavors. So we have a bag of hazelnut milk chocolate, which was delicious. And then we also got 3 bags of this citrus white chocolate because Trevor and I loved it, because in New Zealand there's a candy called L&P. It's amazing, it's delicious, and this sort of tasted like it. So we both had to get a bag, and then Mom got a bag for herself. At Blarney Castle, I got a Lux stone, and it's literally just a rock. I thought it was super cute, and it's from the castle. So that's everything I've gotten from Ireland, and that's probably all I'm going to get from Ireland, and I will catch up with you guys later.
Okay, so I don't have any more footage from day 6, so it means it's the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've missed out on any of these travel vlogs, I'll link the link to the playlist in the description box so you can get all caught up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week.